moving at 40 km per hour is to be stopped by applying brakes in next 4 meters. If car weighs 2000 kg, what average force must be applied on it? So average force is asked. So what are the quantities given? The initial velocity is 40 km per hour. The displacement in which it has to be stopped, the displacement covered till it stops is 4 meter, and mass of the car is given 2000 kg. Final velocity is given 0. So v square minus u square equal to 2s can be applied. Actually, this is applied for constant acceleration, but in this case, we have asked the average force. So average force corresponds to average acceleration. So we are going to find actually average acceleration, assuming the acceleration to be constant. Although acceleration is not constant, but since it is just average acceleration, average force, that's why we are applying this expression. We are assuming the acceleration to be constant, and accordingly we are going to use it. So final velocity is 0, initial is 40. So we will convert the u is 40 km per hour, that can be converted in meter per second SI unit. So that will be 5 by 18. So we can write it as 20 by 9. So that will be 100 by 9. So we can write 100 by 9. So 100 by 9 square, and 2 into A, S is 4 meters. So A we can write as minus 100 into 100 by 9 into 8. So this much we can write as acceleration. Now if you have got the acceleration, what will be force? The force is equal to ma. So 2000 into 100 into 100 divided by 9 into 8. So in this way we can solve. So if we simplify it further, we can have 1000 here and 4 here. So we are getting 10 to the power 6 by 36. This much we are getting. And it will be approximately, if we write these many newtons, so approximately if we write, it will be 2.9 into 10 to the power 4 Newton, approx. So, and minus sign, the minus sign indicates that it is a retarding force. And the brake, this is the force of the brake, this is retarding force. So in this way we can find the value of force.